At one rental at a time, we bring on a wealth of experts to talk about what is actually going on in the market. These are not opinions, these are actual activities. Today, we have Omar from the high desert of California. So, we're going to talk about what is going on today in his market and see if it's similar to maybe what's going on in your market. How you doing, Omar?
Pretty good. What's up, Michael? Thanks for having me. What's up, everybody? And welcome back, Michael.
Yeah. So, if I were to summarize our conversation about your market from 2 weeks ago,
Uh-huh.
inventory was trending down. Activity below the median seemed to be picking up. That's kind of where we were. So it's been 2 weeks. Is it slowing down? Did spring season finally hit and inventory explode? What's going on in the high desert?
Inventory did not explode. If anything, it went the other way. We're under 700, like we're floating right there at 700, give or take, 5 or 10 houses, but 700 houses for sale. The pending is increased under the median home price, which is crazy. The luxury market in our market above 600K, they're still selling, but it's not as fast, and with this interest rate hike last week, well, it's going to slow things down a little bit. But in our market it's a very affordable market.
Right.
Okay, in all of California, Fresno, our area, it's
Yeah.
affordable. It's under the 400K range. I mean, our median home price now, I think, is 380 or
Yeah. I think that.
375 or something.
Yeah. It's shockingly similar to Fresno. I think Fresno's 385 today. I could be wrong, but it's under 400 today.
Yeah.
Um, so again, total inventory, total active listings is often what it's called is down. You know how funny this is to me? Because I think it was 8 months ago, you were at like 1900 or 18. I think it was like 1850. And we're like, Michael, could we see 2 grand?
Imagine.
Just flip the script. And now you're sub 700. And that includes the luxury stuff that's sitting. So below the median, you probably have, I don't know, 150, 200 homes. It's got to
Um,
be bidding wars back.
Yeah, and it's crazy because I did, just as I'm pulling up more data, I did put a property in the market that it was, I was gonna initially rent it out, Michael, and I'm like, you know what? I was gonna rent it out, refinance it, but then there was a leak, and I got some insurance money, and it just flooded the whole thing, so I had to put it all back together again. And obviously, at this point, it's like, I'm just gonna sell it.
It's a new
Uh,
house. Yeah. Total,
uh,
total flip. Yeah.
yeah, it's just a flip, and I'm 1031 exchanging it into 3 units. And which is cool, right? Because we'll talk about that here in a few. But I put it up on the market, a 3 bedroom, 1 bath, completely done nice
Yep.
at 380, which is, it's a good price. I got an offer for 395 cash, and I was one, two, three, four, five. Yeah, there was like six different what do you call offers in a weekend.
Oh,
It's
I just want to be clear. So the house is dialed in,
dialed
right?
in, dialed in.
Dialed in. You put it up for, I mean, so I own a lot of 3 1s. It's fair
Uh-huh.
to say that a 3 bedroom, 1 bath is not, it's an older home. It's an older neighborhood,
Yes. Yes.
right? Probably, I'm going to guess, what is it, between like 11 and 1250 square feet?
Yeah, I think it's 12,
Oh,
10, 12,
yeah, something
15.
like very
Yeah.
standard 3 1.
Yeah. Standard for
Um,
sure.
and then you list it right about the median. You get 7 offers, one for cash at 395.
Uh-huh.
This is this is bananas again. This is crazy. This is 2020 all over again, or
I,
2021, or whatever it is.
you and I both will sell 3 1s for 400K all day
Yeah, it's crazy.
because our entrance was 125,000. I paid 190 for that house.
Wow. And now what you're doing is you're 1031 and you're kind of repeating what I did in my portfolio back in the day, right? We went from 8 to 80. So we'll talk about that in video number 2. Staying
Mm-hmm.
on the market of high desert, it's again, right? We always talk about affordability. We've seen affordability crush some demand,
For
but
sure.
it's also crushing supply. And I don't think people realize, I'm just going to make these numbers up. Like supply's down 80%, but demand is only down 50. So you still
Right.
have this seemingly bidding wars going on. It's wild to look at.
It's crazy insane, man. I mean, I'm just not a yeah. I'm doing numbers right now from 100K to 500,000.
Okay.
Okay,
Yep.
and guess what? 500 houses for sale
Okay.
from 100 to 500K in Apple Valley, Victorville, Hesperia, Phelan, and it's just a small little spot. Not even
What if
much. That's
you have that in front of you right now? Could you change it to 350? One like 100 grand to 350
oh,
and
all
see where
day.
we go? Because I'm gonna guess just before you pull it up, you go under 180. I'm just gonna guess. I could be way off.
Okay, so 100K to 350, 400 results.
Okay, so you have 400. Oh, that makes more sense because your median is 380. So let's try 250. Sorry, 250. 350 is really close to the median. What is 100? I'm trying to find that like ultra starter home.
100K to 250. We are looking at, and this includes manufactured homes,
Oh, that's cheating.
small. Okay,
That's
no,
cheating.
I can remove it. Just straight SFRs.
Yeah,
There's
straight
a
SF.
good chunk. There's 283
Oh,
properties.
okay.
Um, 283 properties. But if I remove
Uh,
just
yeah, just SFRs. Take out it manufactured
I'm
homes.
at condos, multifamily townhomes. Okay, you want to see this is crazy. Okay, I'm gonna add townhomes.
Okay.
There's 9 properties. Okay, condos, it goes up to 13. Apartments, it goes up, it stays at 13.
That's the
Manufactured
one.
homes on permanent foundations in Phelan, which is like rural, right?
Yeah.
Right now we're at 13. Now this is what's crazy. It's going to go to 34.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's our number because I unchecked land. Okay.
Land was in that too. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So our true number with every single property for sale from 100 to 250 in those specific areas, we have 34 houses for sale.
And the reason that's important is because that's the ultimate starter home, right? It's 75% of the median or below. And
Yeah.
there's just no inventory, right? Something like that comes along. It's not a manufactured home. It gets bid on right away and is sold.
Okay. So Michael, one more thing real quick. I gave you bad numbers because we said 200. I'm like, that doesn't seem right.
Yeah.
So, let's do this. I'm going to go to 350 to our median home price. That
Yeah.
includes manufactured homes too, because you can still get FHA.
Yeah. Okay.
100K to 350, we have 90 properties for sale.
There we go. That's what I was looking for.
90 properties.
That's what I thought. So land, there's a lot of people selling land was what goosed the numbers.
Yep. Goose the number.
See,
Now,
I know what I'm doing.
you sure do. 100K to 500K. Okay. 1 to 500K, 451 properties.
That's exactly what I would expect. It's like 350 and below. There's nothing there. When it comes on, it goes nuts. But you go just a little bit up, just a little bit, it explodes in inventory.
100%. Yep.
I got it. See, I know what I'm doing.
And guess what? My property's on there, a hot market. And by the way, 379 was the list price. 1,079 square feet. I thought it was 12 for some odd reason.
So it's 1,100 basically. Yeah.
3-1 cash offer, 395 all day.
Done. Quick close.
It is. They're doing a 1031 exchange,
Oh, okay.
so it closes in 25 days.
There you go.
So by the
Awesome.
end of the month, hopefully, yeah.
Yep. Well, again, what we're seeing here, still in the high desert, spring inventory did not come. Below the median is on fire. Above the median, even a little bit. You just see that big explosion, right? We went from 90 to 400 just by getting over the median about 100 grand. So again, folks, watch your market, learn your buy box, only write good or great deals. Omar, if somebody wanted to buy or sell or join your amazing team, how would they do that?
Guys, follow me on IG, invest with Omar or omaralfaro.com.
Somebody, thanks again.